In today's digital age, fake cybersecurity certifications are alarmingly common from the individual standpoint, but also the company standpoint. The incident with Delve just made that point glaringly obvious, and numerous companies were victims of Delve's activities. Delve's fake certifications misled countless professionals, causing significant setbacks, business disruptions, and loss of client trust. Numerous companies simply lost clients completely because the clients believed that the company certification was legitimately achieved. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in the certification landscape, and that if it is too good to be true, then it probably isn't true. Learning from Delve's mistakes can help you avoid similar pitfalls. Delve isn't the only case of this happening, though. Look for red flags in offers that seem too good to be true. Here at Arrakis Consulting, we have a vendor due diligence program that seeks to look for vendor vulnerabilities. We have run across numerous cases where certifications were faked or where the vendor itself simply changed the date to make it appear like an older certification was still valid. Spotting fake certifications requires vigilance and detailed examination. Always verify credentials with recognized authorities to ensure authenticity and understand the importance of proper accreditation. Falling for fake certifications can lead to severe legal and financial penalties. If you accept a vendor without validation, then you accept the risk that vendor brings to your company. However, if a vendor has been less than truthful, then you have the option to apply legal action against that vendor for fraudulent activity. The cost of ignorance is far greater than the price of vigilance, and doing it right the first time is always cheaper than trying to fix it after the fact. Imagine the impact on your career if your credentials were questioned. Now imagine if the credentials a company is depending on was questioned. Imagine the loss of customer trust and potential lost revenue. Trust is hard to rebuild once lost, so it's always best to never be in that situation. Research thoroughly before onboarding a vendor. Networking with trusted professionals can provide valuable advice. Staying informed about industry standards and updates is essential and can reduce risk to your company and help uncover fraudulent certifications. Take action today. Verify vendor certifications, share this video with colleagues, and commit to ongoing education. Together, we can build a secure and trustworthy professional landscape. Let's secure our future one step at a time.